Welcome to the Curie floor plan by HHHunt Homes. This single-family home offers up to 6 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage, providing ample space for you to thrive. On the first floor, experience open-concept living at its finest. Prepare gourmet meals in the well-appointed kitchen and enjoy casual dining in the cozy dining nook. You can entertain your guests in the large family room. Upstairs, the loft serves as a flexible space that can be tailored to your needs. Retreat to the primary suite with a private bath and a spacious walk-in closet, offering a serene sanctuary for rest and rejuvenation. You also have your additional bedrooms with spacious closets, a full bathroom, and a laundry center. Discover the perfect blend of comfort, style, and functionality in the Curie floor plan by HHHunt Homes.